Education sector is expected to provide the skills that are required to steer the country to attain its economic and social goals as envisioned in the Vision 2030. However, the Kenyan education system has largely been characterized by theory-oriented curricula and lacking in practical and industrial touch.
The technical institutions used to take care of that gap. Some were doing carpentry, we had plumbers, we had mechanics, we had technicians, we had electricians, all that. But this was phased out. So we are trying to reintroduce that because one of the biggest needs that industry has and most of the manufacturers cry for is welders. We don't have good welders here. We don't have good technicians.
And we sent our technicians down to South Africa to be tested. And from the results, it was seen that there were large gaps in basic skills.
In a bid to address this challenge, Coca-Cola has partnered with Krones East Africa and Centurion Systems Limited to establish a center of excellence in food and beverage industry aimed towards improving engineering within the workforce.
This project is all inclusive. It's got a holistic engagement towards, on one hand, solving one of the biggest social issues that we have today, prospects for our youth, and on the other hand, to promote productivity, efficiency in factories and systems.
The program is structured such that the trainees get practical training in mechanical modules, electrical modules, automation and process control, in learning subsystem component, microcontroller and pneumatics. According to Kevit Desai, the managing director for Centurion Systems, after the course, the apprentice will be ready to be absorbed in the manufacturing industry.
With a little bit of theory learnt, he would then come to Nairobi Bottlers and pick up several modules and be in a working industrial environment to learn safety and all the other aspects of industry. Then he would come to Centurion and learn all the modules which are found in a machine. And then he would go to Krones and learn about machine operations. And in total, he would cover 30 modules in 2 years.
It is a 2-year intensive and comprehensive technical training and factory practical experience that will result in skilled technicians in the field of mechatronics.
At the end of the day, what we are taught in school is a lot of theory. What we learn here on the ground is a lot of ways that I can work with my hands that I would never have known if I just sat in school and just came into employment.
I'm being trained as in mechatronics, not only in mechanical engineering, but also in electrical, electronics. At the end of it, I expect I will be a mechatronics engineer, not only mechanical.
The Pioneer Group comprises of 9 apprentices selected from various technical training institutes in Kenya. The joint formation aims to open its doors to all industry and private individuals seeking to enhance their practical engineering.
Roughly in the first year, I think in the region of approximately 80 young people will be exposed to this type of training, but in a modular form. You understand? And then as we grow as a center of excellence with the 3 companies working together, we will, as we open our doors, we will grow and grow and grow. So hopefully in the second year, we'd be able to target in the region of about 200.
Upon completion, the trainees will receive certificates recognizing their participation and increased technical and life skills capabilities. Marete Salvin, GBS News.